Let me show you how I automated lead follow-up and CRM stage updates in Clickup and Cal in Make.com. This automation handles various tasks in Clickup and also integrates with Cal.com. The first part is, whenever a lead status in your Clickup CRM, like here, changes to awaiting proposal, an automatic email is sent. The email is personalized for the lead. It confirms that you've received their request and lets them know you'll be sending the proposal soon. The second part kicks in when someone books a meeting via Cal.com and their email already exists in the leads list inside your Clickup CRM. The system matches the contact email to the correct task and automatically updates the status to meeting booked. This helps you instantly see who has scheduled time with you and keeps you and your sales pipeline perfectly up to date. So let me show you how this works. First, we run the scenario. It's watching for task updates. Now we'll change the status here. Okay, to awaiting proposal. Now we can see that the data has been updated and we can confirm it was Pew who actually changed the status. We can also see the email address that Pew Mogley provided. The automation sends an email using that contact, personalized with their name, letting them know the proposal is on its way. And when we go back here, we can see that this is the email used, and that's the sending address being used inside Make.com. Now for the second part, using Cal.com, we'll run this scenario now. We have a webhook connected to this Make.com scenario. Let's go ahead and book a meeting. It asks for a name and email. Let's use Kitty and her email. This is the address Kitty wants to use to schedule a meeting. Thank you, and we'll confirm the booking. Great, the meeting has been scheduled. Now let's go back to Make. We can see that the data has been received for Kitty. We have a filter that checks for the contact email from the booking. And when we go back into ClickUp, we can see that Kitty's task has changed from interested to meeting booked, all based on that booking via Make.com. So that's it. You now have a clean two-step automation that saves time, follows up automatically, keeps leads organized, and lets you focus on the most important parts of your business.